Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. Alrighty, so before we get started, I just wanted to remind you, or for those of you who are not aware, I have 2022 calendars available for purchase. If you are interested in a calendar, you can email me at kanella@gmail.com. So there's an example of November here. I'll show you guys June, for example. So if you're interested in a calendar, you can email me, as I mentioned, at kanella@gmail.com. All right, so you guys may have already heard, of course, the workshop Tammy Anderson and I are going to be doing in Naples, Florida in July of 2022. It's called Fluid Art Creative Escape, or in other words, FACE. And we are super excited. Spots are filling up, which is even more exciting. I just wish it wasn't like 10 months away. I wish it was sooner, but unfortunately it can't be sooner. So we are super excited. If you are interested in signing up or obtaining the details, you can email us at fluidartescape@gmail.com. I wanted to say thank you to all of our sponsors so far. It's amazing that everybody, you guys are awesome. The sponsors, Loli Veffy, Royal Talons, Color Art, Pixel Paint Designs. It's amazing. So we cannot thank you guys enough for your support. So if you're interested, shoot us an email. All right. So today I am going to be working on an 11 by 14 inch canvas. And the other day I got a bunch of paints from Amsterdam because I do have my workshop coming up, my in-home workshop here in the studio next Saturday, so a week from now. And Amsterdam is also sponsoring that event, and so is Loli Veffy. So thank you, Loli Veffy and Royal Talons, Amsterdam, for sponsoring my home workshop. So there's going to be some really good goodies going home with you guys for those of you who are attending my workshop on Saturday next week. So I got some nice colors this time around, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to try something new, out of my comfort zone, not blues and purples or the nice pretty pinks. So I am going to do a base of Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. So I've got my cup here. All right. So this is Olive Green Deep. Now, of course, it's going to dry darker on the canvas. Actually, I should show you guys the other piece I did, the blue piece. And I am using my reusable stir stick here, my reusable stick from Loli Veffy. Let me get you the blue piece, because that is actually dry right now. Look at that. It's so pretty. It dried perfectly. It did not move. It did not shift. It did nothing other than just dry beautifully. So I'm super happy about that. I love the iridescent in there. That is glowing. So this will get a top coat of crystal resin, and it will be available for purchase if anyone is interested in that piece. Let's put that over there. Okay, so Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam is the base color. I'm going to use this to do my sides. And then for the colors, this should be interesting. I am using Olive Green Light by Amsterdam. Then I have 24 karat gold by DecoArt because I want a little shimmer in there and I want some cells, okay? It's the only shimmery metallic paint I have in the mix. So it'll be interesting to see what comes about. Then I have Naples Yellow Green by Amsterdam, even though it doesn't look green, but there's a little bit of a hint of green in there. And then for some contrast, I'm adding Prussian Blue Phthalo by Amsterdam. And topping it off, we've got Greenish Yellow by Amsterdam. So all Amsterdam colors with an Amsterdam really olive green deep base. And of course, I will be using my flower hairdryer. You can get this in Walmart US. Okay, it's $26.88 Walmart US. And it's that black one I showed you guys on Amazon.ca that is comparable to this is still sold out, and I have not heard back from the seller of that product. So I can't help you guys there. I'm going backwards. Yes, I'm going backwards. There we go. Don't mess that up, Kanella. There we go. All right. So those are my colors. Should be interesting. I'm going to flood my canvas and I will be right back. Alrighty, so the canvas has been flooded, the bubbles have been popped with the torch. So now, because this is a rectangular shape, I'm going to do a little wispy. So I didn't do one on the blue because it was a 12 by 12 square. So I should be able to get a wispy out of this one. So let's do that. Question is, which way do I want to do the wispy? Let's go this way. So we'll start down here like so and do a wispy like that. That looks so pretty. I'm not much of a green fan, but I have a feeling, I'm hoping at least, this turns out pretty. Now I'm not going to overdo it with the gold because it really takes over a lot. So very little gold, okay? Very, very little. You can already see, I don't know if you can see, it's already spreading, right? All right, so we've got the yellow green, which looks like titanium buff to me. But yeah, Naples yellow green. All right. And all right, the Prussian blue. Now I don't want to overdo it with the blue either because I don't want that to take over. So I'll try not to squeeze too much of it. Maybe that'll do. All right, yeah, see, it's already sinking down. All right, and topping it off, the greenish yellow. Get rid of some of the water here at the tip because I just mixed these a couple of hours ago. I wonder if that's a lot of green and not enough blue in there, but we shall see. All right, let's pop the bubbles. All right, so I'm going to start in this blob here and push it down and then work my way out with the rest. So let's get started and hope that there's enough blue in there. Let's see. Okay, so maybe the wispy was too much. Maybe it wasn't. I'm loving the blowout. I love the blue in here. I lost a little bit over here. I really messed up the way I blew it over here. I didn't blow it properly, so I ended up blowing green into my color, like the base color into it, which I hate doing. So it's all about the way you blow it out. But I'm really happy with this, and there's just a sheer layer, small layer of gold in there, which is amazing. I'm going to try and fix this corner here because I really just mucked it up by blowing the green over my color. So I'm going to try and push some green into here like the other colors. Well, there was a lot of blue in there. Well, that's so much better. So much. Now I'm trying to create some negative space in here because I've lost a lot of it. I only have a little bit of it here and a little bit here and one little river of it here, but I don't know how well that's gonna stay there because these might push in together. I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna try and create negative space a different way here. Okay. All right, I've kind of opened that up there. And I think that's it. I don't think I want to do anything else to this. If you are a green lover, this is for you. It's pretty. I really like the light greens, like these two here, the olive green light and the greenish yellow by Amsterdam. I really like this greenish yellow. I'm going to be using that again, you know, with blues. It'll be pretty, and even purple. All right, so I'm going to touch up my edges and see if there's any white part of the canvas showing, and I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Okay, I lied. I'm back. I was looking at it a little bit, and I really don't like this corner down here. I really wanted some more negative space, and you know, I'm not liking this corner, so I'm going to eliminate this corner just like that. Okay, I'm just gonna scrape that little bit off, just that little corner, and I do have some leftover paint. If I didn't have leftover paint, I probably wouldn't have done that. But I've got some leftover here, and I'm going to just do that. Oh, that's so much better. I'm so glad I did that. Now I'm wondering if I should do it anywhere else, but typically I would probably do it in this corner, but I'm really loving the blue here, so I'm not going to touch that. Now I'm going to leave it alone. I'm so glad I did that, actually. It really needed that. Okay, now I'm going to fix my edges, and I'll be right back. Great, everybody. So before we get started, don't forget to scrape your drips. Now I'm gonna have, you see that white on the canvas? I need to fix that. So scrape your drips, and then I'm going to, actually I'll do it right now. Try and do that one-handedly and record at the same time. So this is how I fix my sides. When I say that, I just add a bead like that, and then I can't really do it now with my right hand, but then I just dab those blobs so that they're even. So that's how I do that. And I'm gonna pop this air bubble. There you come, there you go. So don't forget to scrape your drips. I'm gonna have to scrape that again now, obviously. Okay, scrape your drips all the way around. Come back 10 minutes later and do it again 10 minutes after that. All right, so there you have it. I'm so glad I ended up fixing that because it really needed some negative space, definitely. And it's looking really pretty. So let's check it out up close. I really like the blue, and I'm glad I didn't overdo it with the blue, and I'm glad I didn't overdo it with the gold. You can see there's going to be obviously some shimmer there. I will turn off the lights, although it is, what time is it? 2:55 in the afternoon, so it's pretty sunny out. So let's see if we'll get any shimmer. Okay, so I have the flash on, but you probably can't even tell. It's so bright in this room right now, but you can see the shimmer. The shimmer is definitely there. In the dark, it would show a lot more, obviously, but you know, when you add 24 karat gold, no matter what, there will always be shimmer. So this is going to dry. It's going to get a top coat of crystal resin. You can save 5% off your crystal resin order on the website using code Kanella5. All right. All right. Might as well just turn the lights back on at this point. All right, everybody. So there you have it. I'd love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. If you are interested in this 11 by 14 inch canvas, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com and you can purchase it via email. Let me know. Oh, not let me know. I already said let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. In the description below is everything you need to know. My Amazon links, discounts to Loli Veffy, Crystal Resin. Everything is in the description below. So that is it for now from me. I hope you guys have a lovely weekend. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.